Gone are the days when Instagram used to be a platform to share photos and you earn nothing. Today Instagram is paying me thousands of dollars just creating reels. Like here I just earned $5,000, and in this one here, I made $10,000 a month just creating Instagram reels. And you too can be part of this journey. In fact, Instagram is planning to set aside over $1 billion for creator-driven programs throughout 2022. And I'm pretty sure you're interested to be part of those creators who will be competing for a share of that billion, right? Well, worry less because I'm going to share with you a step-by-step process that will help you to start earning by simply creating Instagram reels. Just about anyone can do this. You don't need to be famous on Instagram. So be sure to watch this video till the end because the last step is the secret that has helped me to make even more with Instagram Reels. But before I continue to what Instagram Reels is, hey guys, welcome to Money Machine. Here we will be guiding you with an exact step-by-step process on how you could start making money online. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on the bell notification for new ways to making money online. And if you want to know how I make money online, then check out the first link in the description to get started. Now, let's get back to the video. You're probably wondering what Instagram Reels is, right? Now, Reels is just an Instagram version of TikTok. After seeing the success that TikTok has achieved through its short videos, Instagram decided to introduce a clone of TikTok by the name Reels. Basically, Instagram Reels are short, entertaining, immersive videos where you can creatively express your brand story, educate your audience, and get discovered by people who may love what you do. Reels are very short, running for about 30 seconds each. If you have an Instagram account, I'm sure you've seen these kinds of videos.
Yes.
Try scrolling through your Explore page and click on videos. You'll see several videos on different topics. Some are just about dancing, pranks, education, and trends among others. And this is basically what you can find on TikTok. So before I can show you how you can earn with Instagram Reels, I want you to find a niche. A niche is very important because once you have a focused area of expertise, it becomes easy for you to build an audience and earn with the method I'll be showing you. The first method on our list is to use Instagram Reels as part of the ultimate personal brand funnel. This is how it works.
तू समझा? हाँ. नहीं, तू समझा नहीं.
Simply create content on TikTok and post it there. Then take that same content you just posted on TikTok and repost it on Instagram Reels. However, for both the Instagram Reels and TikTok content, you're going to include a call to action at the end of the video, which leads people to your YouTube channel or website. Trust me, you won't believe the magic this strategy can work to help boost traffic on either your website or YouTube channel. In fact, I've used this strategy many times to build successful YouTube channels, which have paid me thousands of dollars. The more followers I get, the more money I get paid. No hard work here, just being smart. And you'll see in a short while why having many subscribers on YouTube is extremely important. A huge following helps you to create a personal brand, which gives you authority and an audience with whom you can share literally anything. In fact, with time you'll realize that Instagram Reels is the surest way you can get inorganic followers pretty easily on Instagram. The advantage of Instagram Reels is that it is not congested as other platforms are. In fact, there are so many people watching Instagram Reels and just a few people putting out content on Reels. This is a gap and it presents an opportunity that you can tap into and start making money. The second method you can use Instagram Reels to make money is to do sponsored posts.
Nice.
This has been common on TikTok, but it's coming to Instagram. Once you've established yourself as a brand with a huge following, you can get brands to pay you to create videos where you can either talk about them in the entire video or simply give them a shout out at the end of the video. Realize that influencer marketing is a powerful tool that businesses around the world are using to reach their potential customers. Imagine if your Instagram Reels video manages to reach over 100,000 followers, you can charge over $1,000 per post. That's an incredible amount of money, which you can make doing nothing. All you need to do is to be cautious enough with sponsored posts so that your audience does not lose the track of why they followed you in the first place. Keep content your priority. Sponsored posts can be added with moderation. The next method you can use to earn money with Instagram Reels is to use it as part of your multiple platforms. I've done this over and over, and I can tell you I still find it a quite impressive way of making money. Now, I'm pretty sure that if you are on Instagram Reels, you have a YouTube account and possibly a TikTok account. That means that as you build your brand, all these platforms are also growing. And so if you approach a brand and you need to sponsor their product, all these numbers are going to count towards your negotiation for better pay. Though the followers might even be the same, it's what we call cheating the system. There's a big authority you get when you have a huge following on all three platforms. If you negotiate for $1,000 to sponsor a brand on TikTok, you can ask the brand to double the pay, then you post the same on Instagram. This authority you get is beyond what you can learn in books. And I can assure you, it's a smart strategy that works almost all the time. Even if the brand accepts to pay $1,500 for you to post on TikTok and Instagram, you still win. If you like the video so far, then make sure to smash that like button and also subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss out on new ways of making money online. Also, leave a comment down below and let me know if this method has helped you earn money in any way. Let's get back to the video. The fourth and last way you can make money with Instagram Reels is to sell your own products on Instagram Reels. So far you can tell that building a huge following is a key to success in this game. And now in this last way, you're not going to promote other people's products, but you're going to focus on promoting your own products. Ideally, when I talk of product here, I'm just saying your own stuff that can bring in money. This could be a master course that you created and you want people to buy, consulting services that you offer at a personal level, or even an ebook that you've authored on Amazon. There is just countless opportunities and information products that you can sell to the audience that you've built on Instagram Reels. As you can see, this is a free marketing opportunity for you to sell literally anything you have or you plan to start. The only thing you need to watch for is to avoid overselling, because people don't like it when you sell them every day on a platform they join to learn something. To avoid losing followers due to selling, you can find a creative way of putting your products out there through the content you create, and will ensure the audience gets the message you have for them, but at the same time, they get to see the products you have on offer. So there you have it, guys. I hope this video will help you take advantage of Instagram Reels and start making money just like thousands of people out there. If you enjoyed watching this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to this channel for more amazing content.
So please, whatever.
And if you guys want to know how I make money online, then check out the first link in the description box to get started.